discuss this before we leave today. Your vote is yes, sir. I want to remind me. Mr. Malden, got a question.
I do have one other matter that came to my attention. Mr. Brooks, as far as what happened to you where you were kidnapped from Atlantic Road and put in the trunk, did you sustain any injuries on that day?
Yeah, to my both my elbows and my knees. When I jumped out of the trunk, I hit the pavement, and I scratched my knees and elbows up.
You scratched your knees and what else?
Knees and elbows.
You had some abrasions to both those?
Yes, sir.
Thank you, sir.
Afternoon, John.
How you doing, Jamie?
Slick boy.
No, I would object to that. That is not appropriate. It's not a question.
I would just introduce myself to him. I thought that would be
I'm going to sustain the objection.
Yes, sir.
Ask a question.
Yes, sir. We first met when we was kids in a project called Aldo, correct?
Yeah.
I know your brother Tarvin Quincy. Is that right?
Yeah. Yeah.
I also know your mother, Miss Francis.
Yeah. Yeah. You do.
I also met Kenyatta Campbell when we were kids in a project called Aldo, correct?
Yeah. Yeah.
I know Kenyatta family too, don't I?
Yeah. Yeah. You
Who
do.
he knows is not something that this witness gentleman will be able to testify to what his knowledge is of who he actually knows. He can testify to what Mr. Brooks knows. Mr. Brooks can't testify to what he knows. That would be speculation.
I would have said that.
Well, he's objecting.
Okay, I'm not
going to respond to the objection.
He was asking Mr. Brooks questions pertaining to Kenyatta County, and I'm doing the same thing he do. I mean, my position is I have to establish this relationship because we are here for the truth. Now, it's very disturbing if he gonna ask his witness some question on the subject, and I can't even ask no question on the subject.
Here's the basis of the objection. The objection is based on this witness saying what he knows. This witness can only testify what he knows, not what you know. So I'm going to sustain the objection.
But he knows it. That's why I asked it for him.
He doesn't know what you know. I'm not going to argue.
Okay.
I'm going to sustain the objection.
Kenyatta Campbell mother is named Brenda Campbell. Is that right?
Yeah.
We was all good friends growing up. Is that right?
Yeah. Well, yeah.
I used to go down to your mom's house and eat. You used to come up my mom's house and eat, right?
Yeah. Yeah.
I used to spend the night there at Tara, spend the night at my house, and I spend the night there at Tara house, right?
Yeah.
We used to play Nintendo and Sega and everything together, right?
Yeah. We know each other. Yeah.
Okay. We lost contact when I moved out of Aldo and I went to prison. Is that correct?
Yeah, we did. Yeah.
Okay. When I got out of prison in 2009, we resumed our friendship. Is that correct?
Yeah. I mean, you can't. When you got out, you stopped by and you seen me. Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah.
I met Omari Wray through you and Kenyatta Campbell. Is that right?
Yeah, you did. Yeah.
You was a drug dealer when I got out of prison. Is that correct?
Yeah. I sold marijuana. Yeah.
Kenyatta Campbell and Omari Wray were drug dealers too.
You can say. Yeah, you can say that. Yeah. You can say that. Yeah.
Is it true that you, Kenyatta Campbell, and Omari Wray were part of a street gang called Slick Boys?
No. That's what he's talking about. It's
Answer the question.
okay. No.
Do you know it's a crime to use false testimony on oath?
Yeah, I know that. Yeah.
Well, why you doing?
That's argumentative, and I would object to it.
Kenyatta Campbell, Omari Wray, and myself went to clubs together.
Yeah, we did.
is the truth that Omari Wray took pictures in the club with you and Ken Campbell and put them on Facebook?
I don't recall that because I didn't involve myself with a lot of pictures on Facebook.
Yeah. So you're telling us that you don't have no picture on Omari Wray's Facebook with you, him, Ken, y'all, Campbell, and a few other guys throwing up your sign and slick balls up on how to slick ball.
It may be some pictures like that. I don't know. I don't recall seeing them, but yeah, there may be some pictures like that.
Okay.
Yeah.
You just stated that you want a slick ball.
I'm not a slick boy. I'm from the Paldo area, yeah. I'm not a slick boy.
Are you familiar with a game called slick ball?
I'm familiar with a group of people that call themselves that, but it's not a game.
But could you explain those group of people to the jury?
It was, okay, to the jury, coming up in school, guys in my neighborhood, they would call themselves slick boy. I never represented it because they used to like steal stuff out of each other's cars, you know, they would call that slicking you. You know, I didn't anticipate no stuff like that, you know. Omar didn't either, or Mr. Campbell, King Campbell, none. We just were from the area. It was, in fact, the guys that actually were slick boys, they were more at Jamie age than my age. You know, the guys who I came up with.
Are you familiar with the street term called false claiming?
Yeah.
Slick ball might be looking at you on camera, false claiming them?
I'll tell them that.
Okay.
Yeah. I'll tell them that. They already know that. I mean, people from my neighborhood, they already know I don't represent it. So I never have. Yeah.
Well, why would Omar post pictures on his Facebook with you and him and Kenyatta County with called slick boys on the Facebook? Why?
I mean, you can post a picture and anybody can put whatever they want on it. You know how Facebook go.
Well, can I show you a picture with you, Omar, and Kenyatta County in the club? And see can you identify the picture and explain to the picture to the jury what those pictures are and what they represent?
Yeah, do that.
Hunter, here's a matter to take up outside the room.
That's the jury to go back to the jury. Back there.
Yes, sir.
One thing is, I would prefer that you pull that lectern up and where you have, no, not the microphone, the lectern, and the stand.
Okay, I see.
And
Right here.
no, come on up around. You can have your papers.
Okay.
Now, I think we'll be able to hear you fine. I think there needs to be more separation.
Okay, I understand. But we're awesome.
But my microphone is behind it.
Well, he just said,
You can't pick that up.
I can hear and see. We can kind of move it around.
Perhaps caddy corner. Okay. All right. Will that work?
yes, sir.
Okay. All right.